National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern and Arundel County in central Maryland, Southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, North Central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 9:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbia, Severn, Elk Ridge, Odenton, Laurel, Fort Meade, Savage, Guilford, Skeggsville, Ilcester, Linthicum, Jessup, Savage, Georgetown, Hanover, Harmons, Montpelier. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service